Hi, I'm Robert.
And I'm Julie. And
we are
Honey Bear Ventures. So we are on the road in Texas and we're heading to Athens, Texas for the NRVTA, and Robert is, tomorrow we'll be starting inspector school at NRVTA. And how are you feeling about that, sweetheart?
Nervous.
And why are you nervous?
Because I don't do well on tests.
But I think he'll do fine because he has already done inspector school for regular houses, and he already basically knows how to fix anything in an RV, so I think he'll be fine finding the problems in an RV. I don't think it's going to be a problem. Huh.
Huh. No. I can find problems, that's easy.
That's a good thing. So all I can say about this area is it is flat as a flitter.
Whatever a flitter is. What's a flitter?
I don't know, I'll have to look it up. So it's early in the morning and Robert is headed to class. It's car wash day, even though it's raining and I don't know how good it will do. The truck was a mess and we're getting the truck washed today. is end of week 1 at the NRVTA. Robert finished his fundamentals and did great on his test, so very good. And so we have 2 more weeks to go to finish the inspector school. And today is Sunday, so we just are running a few errands. Got the truck washed and went to Walmart, did a little grocery shopping, and now we're headed back to the RV for a lazy Sunday afternoon, I guess. And let's see, what else is going on right now? I can't think much else, but just thought I'd kind of catch up with what we're up to and what we're planning. And I just have to say that this week has been fun, and I've gotten over the angst of the first few weeks that we had on the road, or the first week we had on the road with the frozen pipes and freezing weather and the slides not working and all that other fun stuff that we were dealing with. But right now it's pretty fun, and I think Robert agrees. It's actually really nice to not own a sticks and bricks. It just feels weirdly good to not own a house right now. So yeah, I like being mobile and like our little house, and we're having lots of fun. Got anything to say about that, honey?
No, if any of you out there want to join the NRVTA, I highly suggest it. It's great, kind of keeps you busy. What I'm thinking about doing is being an inspector and kind of doing more of a part-time basis, but it's a great school to get into. You know, I already knew a lot, but a lot of things were updated now, and now I feel like I'm better equipped to be able to handle today's RVs and know what is good and what isn't good on RVs and what needs attention. So,
something else I want to say is that we've actually, our first week here has been a lot of fun because it turns out that our neighbors right next door are also from Colorado. They happen to be from Johnstown, which is right by where we lived in Loveland, and they're great. We just have had a lot of fun with them, and although the guys have been really busy, it's been so neat to get to know them and to spend a little time with them and stuff. So that's been a lot of fun, and kind of what we were hoping for on the road is getting to meet people and getting to know people and hear their stories and stuff like that. So anyway, yeah, it's been a good time. It is March 16th and it is truck wash day. And look at what a mess this truck is. Oh my word. So we had dust storms here in Athens, Texas. Actually, they had storms in East Texas that
look at the front.
Drifted this way, and it just left this mud all over the truck. And then we had rain on top of that. It's just a mess. And Robert does not keep a dirty truck.
Nope.
So this is out of his nature to have it this dirty and awful.